Hey everyone, are you an electric vehicle owner looking for the ultimate protection and efficiency for your EV charging? Well, let me introduce you to SAMKU, the game-changing smart charging station that's about to revolutionize your EV experience. Now, why should you consider switching to SAMKU? Let's break it down. First off, SAMKU comes packed with smart protection. This isn't just any charger. It's equipped with intelligent systems that constantly monitor and regulate voltage levels. What does this mean for you? It means it's safeguarding your EV and its precious battery against any harmful fluctuations. But that's not all. SAMKU's built-in safety features protect your vehicle from overcharging, overheating, and power surges. This is crucial because it ensures a longer lifespan for your battery. Who doesn't want that? Now, on to performance. SAMKU chargers deliver the perfect amount of power, optimizing the charging process for faster and more reliable performance. And let's be honest, we all appreciate a bit of speed and reliability in our busy lives. And if you're worried about usability, don't be. SAMKU features a user-friendly interface. It's designed to make charging your EV as simple and stress-free as possible, so you can enjoy a seamless charging experience every time. Let's talk about some key features that really set SAMKU apart. We're looking at advanced voltage regulation that automatically adjusts to prevent damage from power spikes and drops. Plus, comprehensive protection shields your EV from potential electrical hazards. And for those who care about the environment, which should be all of us, SAMKU promotes sustainable energy use with its efficient charging technology. Not only that, but it's also built to withstand harsh environmental conditions, ensuring reliable operation all year round. So why not protect your investment with a SAMKU EV charging station? With SAMKU, you can rest easy knowing your vehicle is protected by the latest in smart charging technology. Whether you're at home or on the go, SAMKU ensures your EV is always ready to hit the road. Ready to join the smart charging revolution? Upgrade to SAMKU today and experience the difference that smart technology can make for your electric vehicle and its battery. SAMKU, charging forward. Experience the future of EV charging with us. Thanks for watching.